Hey there, I love this Decon mousetrap because I don't have to see the mouse after it's caught and I don't have to touch the mouse after it's caught. Let's take a closer look at how this works. So here's a closer look at the mousetrap itself. It has 3 areas here: when it's set, when it's not set as depicted by the red here inside it, and then when there is a mouse caught. So to bait it, you turn it over, peel off this label, insert the bait, whatever you're using, either mouse bait like I had there, peanut butter is good. Cover it back up. Now to set it, you just want to turn it from not set, twist it around until it's set. It now shows set. Once there's a caught mouse, or if it's not set, caught mouse will be here. If something happens and it pops, it'll be here. Your mouse gets in there, will trip it, and it will spin to kill it. With it being covered and not being able to see anything, it's also much better for children and pets to keep fingers away from. If you are looking for a new mouse trap, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.